Now the wind is really picking up right here, as you can see. Now, it's really important that you stay in, especially if something like this happens. I'm not a professional, but I still have to be careful. And my mom is probably... But I'll show you what it's like right now. And the rain has just picked up and gotten a little bit harder. Can't go very far. Kind of blurry. There's that waterfall again. And the creek is a little bit higher, not much right now, as you can see. So I can't go much further. This is just to let you know, this is around 2 p.m. The weather is picking up pretty well. We got a few gusts, and it's pretty much just terrible out here. So if this happens to you, just stay inside. So this is just a mid-afternoon report. I'm gonna do this in about another couple hours, and you won't need to worry about the time lapse because I'm not gonna leave it out here for 3 hours. So, alright, well, I'm gonna have a 5 o'clock report after this and see if it's any worse.